Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I made $700 trading the forex market. Now, I don't think it's actually in the full day. I did not trade the full day. I traded for just about 7 hours and I made this amount of money. And I'm going to share that with you. So this is the story of my life. Sit back, relax, and enjoy, okay? Full disclaimer, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I am by no means a professional trader, and so whatever you hear in this video, if there's something you feel might be useful to you, want to use it, or anything of that sort, I own wahala. If it goes well, we thank God. If it doesn't go well too, now you sabi, your own wahala. You understand me, right? Good. So me personally, growing up, I only get to hear of the stock markets, forex markets, like in the news and all of that. And of course, at a young age, I didn't really understand what they were saying. Even as a grown girl, like I didn't really understand it. So fast forward to somewhere last year, no, actually beginning of this year, I was looking for like ways to invest my money, like ways to, make some extra money here and there. And I knew people make money from like trading stocks, trading forex, cryptos and all of that. I just didn't know how. I did my research and I did not really find anything useful because I'm in Ghana, so it's like difficult to find platforms to trade on or even brokers to trade on. But I did some more research. I actually found this broker, interactive broker, that I registered with. I created an account and everything was just left for me to start trading, but I also didn't know how to trade. I think interactive brokers is like allows you to trade worldwide. Wherever you are, you can still create an account with them. That aside, interactive brokers is more for like stocks trading. So that aside, fast forward to June, July, Corona time, lockdown and all of that, I was still looking for ways to invest my money because you all know, like, COVID came, it affected lots of businesses, a lot of things, and so most of us who like run small businesses were beginning to go broke and all of that. And I was still looking for ways to make some extra cash. And within that time, I think during the end of June or something like that, Aram Della, you guys know Aram Della, like he's a YouTuber, he's also my friend, and he made this post on WhatsApp and he was like, it's very possible to make about $1,000 every single month, like at least $1,000 every single month trading in the forex market. And I was like, oh, I know someone who trades. Okay. So that was like a little bit of boost for me to get serious with like trading now. So I knew someone who trades, and that's like easy now. The person lives in Ghana here, so that made things easier for me. All I needed to know was which platform he trades on. I asked him and he told me that he trades on the MetaTrader 4 platform, like MT4, which in general, MT4 worldwide is like the number one platform that most people trade on, especially if you are trading in the forex market. I don't know of the crypto. I think crypto, you can still trade crypto like on MT4 or even MT5, but I don't trade crypto, so I don't know anything about that. But yeah, basically forex MT4 is like well known, and I didn't even know that. So all I needed to do was to find a broker, like a very reliable or legit broker. Now with this, I wanted to do my own research, so I didn't ask him for that. He was recommending this other broker that's right now I'm thinking of using that broker instead, because the broker I use now is very sketchy. But I did my research. I found a broker that was okay, recommended by a few YouTubers in Ghana here who trade. So like when you do your research, you find these people on YouTube who trade in Ghana here and they recommend these brokers. Like I just chose one and I started trading. Now here's the thing. First off, I just want to let you know, be very careful of the platforms you trade on. Sometimes you see adverts and whatever it is, people telling you how they made money trading on this platform and all that. I just want you to be aware of that before you even join or anything of that sort. Now your own wahala, as I said. So I think I started trading before the beginning of July. So in last week of June, basically first day of trading, I had no idea what I was doing, so I wanted to do a little bit of paper trading. Usually your brokerage or like your broker account comes with, you can create like a free demo account where you have a certain amount of money in the account. It's not actually real money, but you can trade with that just to have some experience. And I would advise you, knowing what I know now, if you want to start trading, I would really advise you to actually take some time to learn, at least 3 months, learn how to trade before you even get into trading with your own money. I made this mistake and it's affecting me now, but I'm going to explain it all to you guys. So basically, I started trading on like a demo account for 3 days or so. I had no idea what I was doing in the market, and so YouTube was like my number one place to go for like ideas, or let me say resources and all of that. So I was on YouTube learning. There are lots of videos out there nowadays, lots of resources out there, websites and all of that. So I was on YouTube majority of the time learning how to trade as a beginner. So I used like some methods to trade. The method I used to trade actually is like the alligator indicators. Like, it's one of those simple ways to trade, but it can also go against you easily. And right now I don't trade using the alligator method because I'm like, I've passed that stage. But alligator is like how I made my money, and you can use it, but now your own wahala if you try and it doesn't work. Okay, I'll actually put link to like videos that helped me during this time. I can link them in the description for you, so you can check it at any point in time, but don't finish watching me this video before you go and check those videos. Okay, all right. Basically I did paper trading, or I traded on a demo account for about 3 days. On the 4th day, I wanted to trade my real money, and I still didn't trust the market. Fortunately, the broker I used can allow you to trade with the minimum of 50 cedis. 50 cedis is like $8 ish. I would have advised anyone to start trading with that amount of money because I don't know, you can blow the account easily. But 50 cedis, it was okay. I was able to build that within a day. I was able to build that $8 account into, I think, into about $20. And so I had $20 in my account. So I actually flipped the $8. That was good. On the 4th day was when I made my big move. You understand? The 4th day I was like, okay, I want to have a big capital in my account now. So I did $50. $50 is still not big. It's even not advised to trade with that little amount of money, but I did, and it worked for me somehow that day. So my first day, second day, third day was all on experimenting. Actually, the third day I traded with some money. On the 4th day, I added $30, like I was saying, to my broker account or brokerage account. I added $30 to the account. So I had So I had $50. Just a little bit of explanation. If you are a new trader, or if you are new to this, you might not understand what the broker account is. The broker account is basically like an online bank where you get to keep your money and trade in the forex market or in the stock market through that broker. Basically, that's what it is. So say I'm trading on the MT4 platform and I have a broker. My money is in my broker account, or my money is in the broker account, and I get to trade with that money in the market. Basically, that's what it is. And some people think trading in the forex market is actually like gambling, and no, it is not true at all. The only time it becomes gambling is when you don't know what you're doing and you keep losing money. But I'll give you a perfect example. Say I'm traveling to Togo is the immediate country you can travel to like so easily, right? Say I want to travel to Togo this weekend to spend the weekend or something like that, right? When I get to the border or I get to the airport, I know I cannot use my Ghana cedis in Togo because Togo uses safer. What do? I go to a forex bureau and I change my money at the forex bureau. That process of you changing your money is actually trading. So you are either buying the currency or you are selling the currency. That's what it is. So you take all that and then put it in like a digital version of that. That's what the forex market is basically. So it's not gambling at all. So in the forex market, you trade currencies against each other, or maybe if you want to trade indices like index and all that, you trade against each other. Sometimes you trade stocks in the stock market. Basically, that's what it is, right? So my 4th day of trading, my morning started well. I actually learned a few things that I was a fast learner, if I should put it that way. I learned the times that the market opens. I learned best times to trade and all that. So basically, I traded during the London time. London time in Ghana here would start from around 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. It depends on your time zone and what that means for you. So I traded in the London time, and I'll put my stats here for you. Like my trade for the day, whatever it is. I made a lot of trades that day. Basically, the kind of trading I was doing is called scalping. Scalping is basically when you collect small profits, little profits within like the shortest possible time. So I was scalping throughout the day, that particular day, and with, I'm sorry if you can hear some noise, okay, my neighbors are waking up. I was scalping. So basically you scalp with a certain amount of money, get out immediately when you make your profit. So thankfully that day I made only one loss at the end of the day, or like at the end of the London time. It was a trade I shouldn't have entered, but I did enter. But I'll put my stats here, everything for that day, so that you see it. Basically the lot size I used was 0.50, and I also did 0.20. I was changing my lot size, but the majority of the time I was trading on 0.50, which was very, 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 sorry to say, very stupid. Anyone who is a professional in trading, or anyone who looks at my trading history for that day, will be like, what were you thinking? The market could have gone against me so easily, but thankfully it didn't go against me. So I was collecting small profits. So 0.50, I could, at a point 0.50, I could take about $50, I could take about $20, $30. I was just collecting small profits like that. So like I was trading GBPUSD. GBPUSD is just pound against the US dollar. Basically I was trading that, and because it was the pair I was doing a lot of demo on, so that was it. But I traded GBPUSD, it went well. Currently as we speak, I don't trade GBPUSD so often. I like to trade gold because gold is more volatile. Gold is like, it's gold, you understand? Gold is more lucrative, you make more profits. But I will never advise anyone to trade gold if you are a beginner. Stick to the currency pairs, like stick to the currencies. Gold is XAUUSD or something, like, depending on how they call it. So yeah, that's how I made my money. I just want to share this with you guys, just in case you are looking to add options to make money. I would actually recommend that you either do a lot of learning by looking at videos on YouTube for beginners, or you actually take a trading course. And by trading course, please be very careful who you go to teach you how to trade, because there are lots of people out there who will scam you. There are vicious people out there. There are even people on Instagram who will DM you, or even there's lots of Instagram ads nowadays talking about, let me trade for you, or something like, give me this amount of money and I'll trade for you. They're actually guaranteeing you a certain amount of money. They want to flip your money for you. Do not fall for those things. No one can trade for you, only you. You should be able to trade on your own. Don't look for shortcuts when it comes to trading. Is the best advice I'll ever give you. Right now I make some losses in the market, but I feel like every single time I make a loss in the market, it's like me learning. And so, for instance, my 4th day of trading, I made $700. The subsequent time I lost, like, if I'm not kidding, I lost about a quarter of that money in the market. So that's it. But that didn't discourage me, because I know at the end of the day I was able to trade. I got the money, I spent it like physical cash, and so I will still trade all the time. But that's just what it is basically. Like right now I don't make consistent profit because I'm still learning. Like I didn't take the time to do a lot of learning in the beginning, even though trade went so well for me in the beginning, but it's now affecting me. Because everyone, if you are trading, you should learn before you even start trading with real money. It's one thing I always advise anyone who is trading to do. So yeah, don't fall for the scammers, don't fall for any fake broker out there or anything like that. So do your research is like the number one thing if you want to start trading. And who knows, it might go well for you. Right now I have like goals trading in the market right now. Like I have serious goals. I'm just hoping that like I trade well, because trading comes with emotions, because you're trading with your own money, so you can easily do stupid things in the market. But if I was able to make $700 in one day, I can make more than that. I actually know someone who makes about $1 million in a day. I mean, not consistently, but like for the most part he makes about $1 million, almost like like almost once a month he makes $1 million trading in one day, and he's actually someone I look up to right now. So it's kind of lucrative, but at the same time, if you don't know what you are doing, you can lose all your money. At a point I went broke because I put all my money into trading and I went broke. And I mean, it's a lesson learned, but you can lose your money, you can gain money. It all depends on the decisions you make. It all depends on your experience and decision you make in the market. So that's it, my small little experience I wanted to share with you. If you do decide to trade and you trade and it goes well, let me know, okay. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys so that if you want to look at trading as an opportunity, you look at it, and whatever it is, like your own wahala or whatever. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.